right, let's check out this beautiful custom Nomad 1955 Chevrolet Nomad. And when I say custom, point out some things that probably make this one of a kind. As you notice, first off is the Corvette Cove on the side of it there, reminiscent of a, say, 1958. And come around to the front, same with the grill. 1958 Corvette grill, been customized into this beautiful build. Speaking of the build, it was done 2017, frame off, rotisserie restoration, less than 2,000 miles on it since it's been built, approximately 1,800 roughly on this car since it was built down in Tennessee. Now underneath the hood, crate 350, 345 horse engine, and that is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Some other goodies underneath there: aluminum radiator, power brakes, power steering, does have front disc up here, as you can see, riding on Riddler wheels there. So nicely equipped, go down the road nice. You got the modern amenities with the power steering, power brakes, AC. Everything works well. The front does have drop spindles on it, 2 inches. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, check out the underside of this car, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Also, feel free to call us, 507-386-1726. This car was nominated for the Street Rod Car of the Year, Minnesota Street Rod Association Car of the Year nomination. So very high quality build, nice build. Take a look at how the doors fit, how nice the seams are, how even they are. I mean, you can tell it's a high-end build. Something else you're going to notice custom: 05 Corvette door handles incorporated into this build. I get around to the back, I'm going to show you some more custom stuff. Color on this is poppy orange and shoreline beige in the cove and the roof. That is a PPG urethane paint, by the way. Now when we slip around to the back, here comes that kind of 58 Corvette styling once again. And then down on the rear, it does have the 05 Corvette roll pan down on the bottom of this. Other than that, Nomad door works all the same way. Will flip down, glass will flip open, and again, you can check out the still pictures of that on our website. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and we can sure assist you with getting this car shipped to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Feel free to ask your sales associate when you give a call in or email us. Some of the other items on this: painless wire harness, does have aluminum radiator up underneath the hood. Like I said earlier, vintage AC and heat. Does have an I Did It tilt column in it. Dakota digital dash and a low car shifter. So that's some more of the goodies on it. But again, just look at how the door fits, how even that seam is. I was going to point that out in the hood too, I noticed when I was shooting pictures from the front. Look at how that seam is. Nice and straight, even. Just a beautiful car. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. Now, it does have the regular Nomad bench seats up front and in the rear that were reupholstered. Interior in this vehicle also like new. Of course, that back one folds down, and again is the stock bench seat that has been reupholstered. Check out the headliner crossbows. Also all beautiful shape. Got a matching theme Dakota digital dash in here. Let's start this up so you can hear it. Let it warm up a little bit. We'll check out that engine bay. And there's the miles since built, 1825, looks like it says. Radio does work, wipers work. Like I said, AC blew cold on me. What a nice setup. Great sounding car. So nicely that door closes. Just slip around to the back so you can hear this. Listen to this. Nice little rumble coming out of that Straight 350 underneath the hood. Remember, 345 horse. I'm going to slip up here to the front. Let me pause this a second and pop the hood so you check out this engine bay. It's beautiful too. Alright, so check out how nicely this is finished off. So serpentine belt system, aluminum radiator, high flow pulling fans. Thing runs nice and cool. Power brakes. Look at how nice everything's finished off underneath here. That flat black valve cover and air cleaner cover. This car will turn heads wherever it goes, and it's won quite a few awards in our area here. So yeah, if you're looking for a beautiful, custom, one-of-a-kind 1955 Nomad, here it is. Remember, still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. The phone number to call, 507-386-1726. Of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Give us a call.